Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Hope you guys are having a good morning, good day. Sorry the video is a little bit later today. I had a meeting with Mrs. Batesel, Ms. Dasick, Mr. Rose, and Mrs. Marconi just to touch base and talk about how things are going. And we all said that we miss you guys and we hope you guys are doing your thing and keeping the learning going and hopefully being good for your folks, your parents, because this is a very different time for everybody. So as long as we're patient with each other, things will go smoothly. All right. So today's message is to be helpful. So think about someone who might need a helping hand in your house, whether it's with chores or maybe they're working and they can use a hand. Maybe somehow you can help them as well. All right. Weird but true too. Today's pages. Let's see. The Earth is slightly pear-shaped. A zebra's skin is black, only its fur is striped. A tropical ant can snap its jaws together at a speed of 145 miles an hour, faster than any other animal. Tropical ant. It takes the average 10-year-old kid about 20 minutes to fall asleep. Mount Everest grows more than 1/8 of an inch each year. Old man is a nickname for a male kangaroo. 1,000,000 seconds is 11 days, 13 hours, 45 minutes, and 40 seconds. There's some math for you. The brighter the star, the shorter its lifespan. Whoa. Very, very cool, interesting, weird, but true facts. All right, so today is lesson 414, and it starts on page 245 and goes to page 246. And it's talking about using addition and subtraction, basically to check each other's work and to use proof drawings. I know a lot of you like to see in proof drawings, so don't be afraid to use those too. Those are just another way to prove or show that your work is correct. Okay, so I'm going to show you the new groups above method for this one and the show all totals. Okay, so new groups above. 8 plus 6 equals 14. New group because that's 10 or more. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. New group above because it was 10 or more when I added. And 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. So 224 is what we're saying is the answer for number 1. Now show all totals would be, hey, let's add our hundreds. Let's see, there's only 100 in both of these numbers. The tens, 1, 2, 3, plus 8 tens is 11 tens. And 8 plus 6 equals 14 ones. So if you do show all totals and you like that method, that's great for you. 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And again, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh, look at that. Bingo. You actually double checked your work, not just with the proof drawing. In this case, it was show all totals and the traditional new groups method. All right, and in that word problem, it said more. In this case, they're adding to it. There was more coming into their total. All right, now number 2, it says 224, and then the word left, and it was left as in, hey, this much is going away. So 4 minus 6, there's more on the ground, on the floor, in the ones column. So you would go, I like to go right there, starting on the right-hand side, and ungroup. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 1 minus 8, you can't do it, right? You're not going, don't make that puzzle penguin mistake. Don't go here and go 8 minus 1. It's always top down. That's why we put them vertical. Okay, 1 minus 8 you can't do, so go next door, ungroup. Get those 10 tens. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3. And then 1 minus nothing is 1. Oh, look at that. Okay, you kind of just checked your work in that word problem. They made it flip around to use the exact same numbers. But, not only can you check your addition using subtraction, but you can check that subtraction using addition, right? So you want to double check that. You add your add-ins to smaller numbers. Don't forget to line up the place values, the ones underneath the ones, the tens underneath the tens, and then see if you can get that total, that highest number. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 4 down. New group above. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. You see where this is going because of the first thing we did. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So yeah, we did it correctly. Bingo, boingo, bango. You nailed it. Okay. So, and then when they ask for proof drawings, make sure you're showing the proof drawings. You know, for 138, you have your 130, 8 ones, 6, 7, 8. And like for this one, your 8 tens, 6, 7, 8. And then your 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So you got to see, hey, can I make a whole another 100 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sure can. There's another 100. There's 200 so far. Oh, can I make another 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. There's another 10. So I actually have this 10 here. It's hard to see on the board, I'm sorry. So you have 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and what's left over in the ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 224. So many ways to double check our work and to make sure we're getting our math right so we are confident in what we're doing. It's nice to be confident about your math skills and everything else that you put your hard work into in life. Okay, now another little secret about me as far as what I like to collect, or I used to at least. Before I had kids and when I had a few dollars to spend here and there, I used to collect these things. You guys know what that is? Oh, it might have been a giveaway. You put a roll of candy in there, you put the head back on this thing. It is a Pez container. Now this is an Indian chief, Native American chief Pez dispenser, and is super old. Number one, I know that because it was in my dad's pile of fun things that he gave me before he passed away. One of these things, he knew I collected Pez dispensers, so I thought, hey, you know, maybe his son who collects them also would like one. He only had one, and there way I know, look at that, the bottom. Now, if you all have a Pez dispenser, maybe you got one at Easter this year, you will notice that when you set these down, now they have what they call feet for the Pez dispenser. So instead of just this flat rectangle on the bottom, it actually has like a little bit of a foot pattern that you can sit down, makes it more stable so it doesn't tip as easy. Now these will stand, but they tip a little easier because they're just squared off or rectangular on the bottom. So it's older, it's more collectible. Whoa, I know, it's super exciting. That's it. All right. So good luck with your math today. Remember, be helpful. And be patient with your folks. They're trying to be patient with you too. And I thank you to all you parents who watch these and help out. You're a big help. You're their first teacher in life, and now you're their teacher at home too. All right. So keep up the great work, everybody. Miss you guys, of course. And send in any Spirit Week pictures you like to, and I'll try to get them to our website. All right. Have a great day.